Hey guys, today we also got a 2012 Infiniti m37. It got hit here, but I've already done some work to it. I just pulled like the fender out as much as I could at the moment. I'm gonna have to stud pull it later. Then we're also gonna have to buff like the entire car because I don't know if this will catch it. Like the whole car is like that. And then the rear bumper was also hit, but I already fixed it. But yeah, so we're gonna have to, well right now I'm just going to take off the rear bumper, get it prepped so my painter can paint it. Then after that I'm gonna work on the fender, get it fixed, and I'll do, process videos on it too if anybody's interested. And then probably buff the headlights, and then we'll have to buff the entire car after it goes through detail. But definitely more to come on this car.